the professor asked the students to choose one of two quotes to write an analytical paper on. The paper had to be between 8 to 10 pages, and we were to choose one quote and discuss whether or not we agreed or disagreed with the statement that was being made. What I did to initially better understand the topic was I got a blank sheet of paper and I wrote down Foucault's central idea, which was the power-knowledge nexus. And I wrote that down in a bubble on a blank sheet of paper, and I just started brainstorming and writing down different ideas and thoughts that I had originally had about the topic. And I sort of just drew in information from that course that I was taking and another course I was taking at the same time. From all the books and journal articles that I read, I compiled them all into a Word document. And in that Word document, I had the quote or the content that I was interested in including in my paper, as well as the corresponding bibliographic information that went along with that particular quote. After I had collected all of my research, I printed it off and I began highlighting. I like using a lot of different colors to sort of arrange my thoughts. So for each argument that I wanted to make in the paper, I had a specific color that went along with it. I created an outline, and this was to structure my arguments and my thoughts and to make a logical paper. I started off with recording different things of what I wanted to include in my introductory paragraph, as well as my body paragraphs and my conclusion. So I first came up with my thesis statement by recording on a blank sheet of paper a few sentences that I thought captured what I was trying to say in my essay. For this particular essay, I wrote about 8 drafts. And during my drafting process, what I would typically do is read my essay out loud, and from there I would see whether or not I should be moving around different body paragraphs, whether or not I should be changing some words that I was using to say what I want to say more explicitly. I would also check for spelling and for grammar. If students start right away and start talking to their professors, asking them questions, that would probably be the first thing that I think that they should do.